Hello everyone, welcome to Vencru. Vencru is an invoicing, inventory management, and accounting software for businesses. Today, I will show you how to review the sales history of a specific client. To do that, select Reports. Under Reports, select Client Reports and then click on Client Statement of Account. This extra tab can be collapsed by clicking on this button. Now, click on the client you would like to run a report on or type in their name. Then, select the time frame within which you want a report generated. And finally, click on Run Report. A client statement of account is generated for your selected client under the specific or the specified period of time. Your transactions with your client, the amount on each transaction, the credits or discounts given, along with the payments made by the client, and their outstanding balance are displayed. At the bottom of the statement of account, a summary of the amount owed by your client within different time frames are also given. You can export this report as a PDF or as a CSV file. You can run this report on each and every one of your clients, and you can send the report to your client, or you could just keep the report for recording sake. And that is how to review the sales history of a specific client.